What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to build your website on the Zyro website builder. Zyro.com is a platform on which you can create your website. It's pretty easy to use and has lots of functionalities and templates to choose from and help you build your website. So first of all, you need to go to the Zyro website, that's Zyro.com, and you will be greeted with this screen that shows you some of the plans, the prices, and the capabilities of the website and success stories and so on. You can go ahead and sign in if you already have an account on Zyro.com, or you can click on Start for free to create your new account. And you can also start for free from here. So you can click here or here, it'll lead you to the same page. And let's go ahead and do so. So I'll click on Start for free. It'll ask you to sign up. You enter your email address and password, or you can sign up with Google, Apple, or Facebook. So choose the sign up method that is best for you. I've already created an account with my email and password. I have already created an account with email and password. And once you do so, this page will be opened. So in this page, you will be choosing a template for your new website. You have many kinds or many categories of templates, so like fashion, photography, technology, travel, e-commerce, and so on. So you can choose any template and you can browse them here. So in this case, all templates are chosen. So it'll show you all the templates, and also you can search for a certain template here. So let's say I am building a website for my restaurant business. So I'll choose restaurants here to show me the templates that are suitable for this type of website. And if we scroll down here, we can see many ready-made templates that we can edit as we want. So let's say I like this one. We can click on preview here and it'll open a live version of this website so that you can view and interact with the different elements and view the different pages as if you were a visitor that visits your website. As you can see here, I can click on links, I can click on home to go to the home page and so on. And if I like this template and want to continue editing it, I can simply click on start building here. Or I can go back, if I don't like it, I can go back to all templates and choose a new one. So let's click on start building right here. It'll take a moment and then loads up our site in the builder or the editor. Here it gives you an option to take a tour or like view some videos to learn more about how you can use the tools on the Zyro website. So you can take the tour or just close this pop-up. And now we are in the editor. You can click on the plus icon here on the left tab to add elements. So you can add elements like text, button, video, gallery, map, Instagram, and Facebook, and so on. And here you'll view pages and navigation. So this website that we choose only has one page, so we can add a page here. So let's click on add page to add a new page to our website. We have many types of pages, so like a blog, online store, about, contact, services, and so on. And for each type, we have many layouts or many templates for this same like page. So let's choose a contact page. That's the contact us or your info page. So as you can see here, we have a couple of layouts. So let's choose this one. And as you see here, your page is added. So we have here like our contact page. And as you can see here, it updated here. It used to say home, but now it's contact. And we can drag our page to like move it up and down. As you see here, we have our contact and our home. Now the order has changed. We can drag the contact page down again and it'll show after home. Now we can also change the website style, so we can change the color. As you can see here, these are the colors that are used in the website. We can click on the white and we can change it. Let's change it to a blue color here and then click on accept. And as you can see here, the white elements on the website, in this case the background is changed. All the white elements are changed. Now let's click on the black here, select like a gold color, click accept, and change this one also to like a red color or pink. And as you can see here, the elements changed in real time. And we can also change the text styles. and fonts. As you can see here, it changes as we click on it. And also we can change the buttons, so we can change the buttons like type, so rounded corners or like angles. Let's choose this one. We can click here on the blog here, so to create a new blog or to start editing your blog posts. And here you can view the online store. So if your site has an online store, we can view it and edit it from here, or you can add an online store to your website so you can add your products. And we can view the website. If we close this one, we can view the website on the like a desktop view or a mobile view. So that's how our website will look on the mobile phone. From the pages here, let's go back to the home page. As you can see here, the text used to be white and now it is replaced by the blue color. Okay, now that I've shown you how to add elements and edit the settings for the page itself, let's go to the elements here. On each page we have many elements like a photo, background and text and so on. We can edit all the elements. So if we click on this text here that says Bahia, we can edit the text. So we can highlight it and let's enter like our website. Okay, can change the font, change the text size, make it bold, italic, underlined, and even add links and edit the alignment and so on. And also change the color. So if we want to change it to like a green color, we can do so. Okay, we can edit the text, click on edit text. We can also copy it, preview it and delete it, and we also have more options here, so you can cut, copy, duplicate and so on. And you can also use their AI assistant. Now let's click on edit the text. So let's highlight it and type in awesome tutorials. Okay, and you can also edit all these settings like the alignment, the font color, the font style and so on. So let's make it like a yellow color. Okay, looking good. And we can also change the size of the container, and you also have like these rectangles that help you align your text and elements. So let's make it bigger here. Okay, let's expand it a bit more. And you can also move the elements up and down and in the position that you like. Okay, we can also do the same for all the elements here, all the text elements. And also for the images. So if we click on the background here, we can click on add section and we can replace the background image. So we click on replace image. We have like a couple of different ones. So these are my library images. We can click on images, documents, and we can go to free images. So these are free images, royalty free images that we can choose from. And we can also upload an image from our computer. So let's say we like this one, we can click on it and then add to page, and the background has changed as you can see. And we also can change the overlay, the image layout and so on. And we can view our changes on the mobile version on the website as well. And once you are done with all your edits and you like the way your website looks, we can go and click on save. And we can preview our website. So that's how your website will look to a visitor. We can preview how it will look on the desktop and the mobile devices. And once you are happy with the edits and you decide it's time to publish your website, click on go live, or from here, go live also. So if you click on go live and click on go live, you can click on, it'll give you the option to choose a plan. So you cannot publish your website if you are on the free plan. It'll let you like build it and edit it. However, to publish it on the web, you'll need to subscribe to a plan. So you can view here the plans. As you can see, they are not expensive at all. So you can view the plans and view their details and then choose the plan that is suitable for you and start publishing your website on the web.